In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp for newsletters. By the end, you'll be able to create a clean, effective newsletter from start to finish using Mailchimp's built-in tools. First, start a new newsletter campaign. Once you're logged in, head to Campaigns, select Create Campaign, and choose Email. Give your newsletter a name that makes sense for you and your team. Something like Monthly Updates, March, helps you find it later. Next, pick the audience segment you want to send to. This lets you target specific subscribers, whether that's new signups, loyal customers, or a particular interest group. Choosing the right segment keeps your content relevant and your engagement strong. Now, choose a template. Mailchimp offers a range of ready-made designs that look great on mobile and desktop, or you can start with a blank layout if you prefer full control. For most teams, a simple, clean template is best. It keeps the focus on your message and is quicker to build and maintain. With your template selected, it's time to design. Use the drag and drop blocks to add text for your news and updates, images or graphics to bring the content to life, buttons for clear calls to action, and social icons so readers can connect with you elsewhere. Keep paragraphs short and scannable. Use descriptive headings and make your main button easy to spot. Aim for a consistent brand look with your colors and fonts, and add alt text to images so your message is clear even if images don't load. Before moving on, click Preview and send yourself a test email to check spacing, links, and how it reads on mobile. Next, write your subject line and preview text. Your subject should grab attention without overpromising. Think specific, concise, and relevant. The preview text is the short snippet people see in their inbox, so use it to add context or a benefit that complements the subject line. Keeping both clear and authentic can make a big difference in open rates. When you're ready, choose how to deliver. If timing matters, schedule the send for when your audience is most active. Mailchimp can suggest optimal times based on your list's engagement, which is helpful if you're unsure. Otherwise, hit send to deliver immediately. Double-check your recipients and final details before confirming. That's it. You've created and delivered a Mailchimp newsletter with a focused workflow. Set up the campaign, choose a template, design clearly, write compelling inbox text, and send or schedule with confidence.